Part 1. The Great Sneeze Escape. You won't believe what happens next. It was a normal Tuesday morning at Jefferson Middle School, except for one small problem. Peter had the hiccup sneezes. Peter's condition was rare and loud. Every hiccup triggered a sneeze, and every sneeze sounded like a foghorn. The day started innocently enough, but trouble began during math class. Mr. Jenkins. Peter, what's 57 divided by 3? Peter opened his mouth to answer, but instead, explode! His sneeze blasted the chalk off the board. The whole class froze, Emma whispering, "Peter's going to blow the school up!" Peter tried to explain, but another explode sent Mr. Jenkins' toupee flying into the air. By lunchtime, the whole school was talking about it. The cafeteria staff had to lock up the trays after Peter's sneeze catapulted a spaghetti plate onto the principal, Principal Harris. "Peter, I don't know what's happening, but it stops now." But the hiccup sneezes didn't care. They struck again during the afternoon assembly. One particularly strong explode sent the auditorium curtain crashing down, revealing the janitor eating donuts backstage. The principal had no choice but to send Peter home early. As Peter walked out of the building, he hiccup sneezed one last time, accidentally setting off the fire alarm. Peter, to himself, "It's fine. Tomorrow will be better, right?"